Hello everyone, this question appears in class 8th NCERT chapter of linear equation in one variable. This is ninth question of its exercise 2.2. So the question says that the ages of Rahul and Haroon are in the ratio of 5:7. 4 years later, the sum of their ages will be 56 years. What are their present ages? So हमें assume कर लेंगे. Let the ages of Rahul and Haroon is 5x and 7x. Then 4 year later, so हो जाएगा 4 year later इनकी एज हो जाएगी 5x plus 4, 7x plus 4. देन हमें गिवन है 4 year later the sum of their ages will be 56. So 5x plus 4 plus 7x plus 4 is equal to, ये हमें गिवन है 56. So ये हो जाएगा 5x plus 7x 12x plus 8 is equal to 56. So 12x is equal to 56 minus 8 and x is equal to 48 by 12. So 12 से 4 टाइम तो हो जाएगा 4. x equal to 4. So हमें फाइंड आउट करनी है देयर प्रेजेंट एजेस. सो ये 5x plus 4 ये हमारे पास आफ्टर 4 year later. So present age of Rahul is equal to, ये थी हमारे पास 5x is equal to 5 into 4 is equal to 20 years. Then present age of Haroon is equal to 7x is equal to 7 into 4 is equal to 28 years. So हमें एजेस फाइंड आउट करनी थी राहुल एंड हरून की प्रेजेंट एज हो जाएगी 20 and 28 years. Thank you.